Hi everyone, John Matthews with Adventure Waits World Travel here. We just arrived at our room at All-Star Movies Resort at Walt Disney World. So let's take a look. This is one of the remodeled rooms. As you can see, it's very bright and spacious. And they put in new hardwood floors, or faux hardwood floors. So they're easier to keep clean. And have lots of storage space. And lots of plugs and USB plugs. They also have a little mini fridge, which is very nice. And this whole little beverage station. They have a little coffee maker also. And more storage for food and snacks and other items. They have a nice big flat screen TV. And a nice little dresser. Credenza, and they have a safe here in the dresser as well, along with some extra bedding, which is very nice. More plugs and USB plugs, and they've also lofted the beds, so you can put your luggage under the bed, give you even more room, and tons of storage. They have little night tables on the sides of the bed. This is a queen size bed. There's actually two queens in this room, and there's more plugs and USB plugs. So they put in lots of plugs. And this table, which is very cool, also folds down. It's a Murphy bed, so, or trundle bed, whatever you want to call it. So it folds right down, so you have a second queen bed in the room. And you can fold it up and use it as a desk or a table when you're not using it. And there's Huey, Dewey, and Louie in the background taking a nap, which is very cute. So, beautiful room. And then over here you have another night table and more plugs. And these lights above the bed with Minnie and Mickey and Donald. Those lights turn on and off, of course, so you can control them from the bedside. And then this is the bathroom, and they have this nice sliding door, so you can close off the whole bathroom, along with this little coat rack or hanging rack here. So you can close off the bathroom if someone's trying to sleep. They also have a little closet here to store your personal items, more storage with an iron and a blow dryer, and here's the ironing board that goes with the iron. So lots of storage. Nice single vanity and a makeup mirror and more storage down below. And then here's the bathroom, there's the facilities, and a nice soaking tub with a rain shower head. And they also have those clotheslines, retractable clotheslines, which come in handy for bathing suits and everything. So, and then H2O amenities, which is very nice. So, beautiful bathroom, and this door also closes, so you can have somebody taking a bath or a shower while somebody else is using the sink. So two people can use the bathroom at the same time. So beautiful room. We're happy to be here. And when you're ready to book your next trip to Disney World or anyone else, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails. Thanks.